All right, so today we're going to cover paper 1. Okay, I'm going to go a little bit of situational. Current affairs. Give me a second. Oh,
What's so old?
Oh,
like one paper for you.
survey. Oh,
Yeah, what?
I took the wrong paper.
Oh my goodness.
All right, can you see it now?
No, all I see is a face.
So I'm not going to see Ayman, Sini, and Javen after next week. I feel kind of sad.
Wait, what do you mean after next week?
so you'll see Aiman.
Next week is my last lesson with y'all.
Oh, okay.
But you're still gonna see us.
No, there'll be another teacher taking over.
Oh,
I don't want to do Zoom anymore.
well, let's make this the best experience you have ever.
Yeah.
We need to
Hang on one second. Let me just go through this for a second.
Hey, what's the girl that always lie down on the sofa and then complain, "Hey, mommy, leave some chocolate cake for me." What's the one that always lie down on the sofa one?
It's so mean.
The fat one.
Hello.
You mean Caitlin? Wait, chill. If we have enough time, can we play like that doodle game? Like we have to draw then have this.
We've got 56 slides today. That's the least of my concern now. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go through synthesis and transformation very, very quickly because I want to focus a lot more. Hang on. I want to focus a lot more on your comprehension, okay? Because I think comprehension is something that you guys don't do very well. So that's what I want to focus on. All right, very quickly, I'm not going to write the answers, but let's do the first one. Ayman first, Sini second, Javen third. We must not be, oh no, what have I done?
What have you done?
Hang on, guys. I'm looking for something.
What you looking for?
Okay, got it. All right, so Ayman, this is the one. Can you read the first sentence and give me the answer? Thank you.
Okay. In the event that we are late, we will be denied entry.
All right, so in the event that we are late, we will be denied, but after late, you have to put a comma. So don't forget about that. So in the event that we are late. So after late, you have to put a comma. All right, next one. Sini, next question.
I thought you are number 2.
No, Ayman number 1, Sini number 2, and who is this boy? Javen, you're number 3. Okay, Sini, come on, darling. Rosie wanted to.
Come on.
McDonald's clocks. What?
Sini? The artist whose works have won many awards was wanted by Rosie to paint a portrait of her.
Repeat again. The artist, what?
The artist whose works have won many awards was wanted by Rosie to paint a portrait of her.
Well done. Well done. Number 3. Ayman. Javen.
Me.
Javen.
Out of disliking.
Wrong.
Oh.
Out of dislike.
Wait. Out of dislike. Now avoided Pete whenever she could.
Neil avoided Pete whenever he could. Okay,
yeah,
correct?
that's what I said.
All right. Ayman, next one, number 4.
Wait, I have something to say about the compo.
Can we come to that after we have finished all the 5 questions?
Okay.
Number 4.
Jocelyn was disappointed by the ending of the movie.
Jocelyn was disappointed. All right. Okay. Was disappointed. That's the right thing. Thank you.
Achha, can you write like Jocelyn was found disappointed by the end of the movie?
No, she wasn't found disappointed. Jocelyn herself. So who found the movie? Jocelyn herself found it. If I say Gloria was found sad, that means somebody else found me looking sad. But this
Yeah.
is she herself. So you cannot say Jocelyn was founded. You must say Jocelyn was disappointed. All right. Sini, number 5.
Gary asked his mother whether he might have chicken pot roast for dinner that night.
Correct. The may becomes might. Whether he might have chicken pot roast for dinner. For dinner, what, tonight or what?
That night.
Thank you. So this is a tricky one because there's a lot of things you need to put. You need to put in the weather. You need to put the I to the he, to the may, to the might, and all the way that night. All right, tonight becomes that night. All right, well done. Sorry, Ayman, you wanted to tell me something?
Oh yeah, I did. I was going to finish the compo bounty. It was like I was trying to finish out a bounty. I couldn't because I like hit the max words.
Oh, okay, no worries. I'm going to go to the compre, so we'll go through that very quickly. All right, so comprehension, I know you guys have done it. If you have not done it, guys, I have no time to give you all time because now it's already like literally 1 week away from your PSLE. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, this one's a long one. 7, 8, 9. Okay. All right, this is what's going to happen. I'm on first paragraph, Sini second paragraph, Javen third paragraph, and so on. Come, let's go.
Okay. Jade loaded his cormorants onto his boat. He threw the baskets of birds down roughly on the deck, and the long, narrow boat swayed. Inside the basket, the birds squawked loudly in agitation.
Give me 1 second. I'm trying to get the cormorants.
What do you mean by give your answer?
Can you hear it?
No, I can hear you.
No, I cannot hear.
Can you hear it now?
No.
No.
Cormorants.
Cormorant.
Cormorants.
Cormorant.
Cormorant.
All right, cormorants. All right, what is a cormorant? It's not a very
Like goods.
no, cormorants refers to birds, okay? Cormorants, birds, okay? Sorry, Sini, continue. Leo looked furiously.
Leo looked fiercely at Jay across the water space that divided their boats. With exasperation in his voice, Leo said, "Don't be so unkind to the birds. Uncle Tom says they work extremely hard for us."
Javen?
What do I care about what your uncle says? Jade shouted back angrily. If your uncle keeps getting poor catches, I'll rent his boat to a better fisherman and then there will be more fish for me to share.
Herman?
Soon all the fishing boats were a good distance away from the shore. The fishermen began to release their boats. Opening the basket, Leo fell under the half-raised lid. His hand found Griffey, the number 1 cormorant, and eased it out. He felt the metal ring around Griffey's neck. Next, he passed a cord around its breast and fastened it.
Sini?
Uncle Tom, Leo asked, holding the cormorant out to him, who leaned forward and gently touched the bird's head.
Javen?
Go, he said, and Leo let go of the bird. While holding onto the end of the cord, it was this way each night, which with each bird, soon all 14 birds were in the water.
I'll read the next paragraph. His uncle reeled in one bird, its neck bulging with the fish it had caught, but could not swallow because of the metal ring. Holding the cormorant's beak over the basket, he ran his hand along its neck. A big fish spilled from the bird's throat. Just then, one of the boats bumped into theirs. This caused the man on the other boat to stumble and lose control of his lines, which tangled with the lines of the other fishermen. The boats were nudging and bumping one another, and the birds were flying in confusion, which resulted in their cords tangling further. As the birds were panicky, they struggled more and caused the tightening of the cords around one another's neck. Which were Uncle's cormorants? Uncle Tom? Leo asked, and his uncle nodded. It was the way it had always been between them, the meaning clear without words being spoken. Slowly, Leo and his uncle unclenched their hands. All at once, the birds lifted themselves from the web and rose to freedom. With their faces to the sky, Leo and his uncle watched this with sadness. It was as though everything that he and his uncle shared was vanishing with the birds. A few minutes later, there was a sudden flurry of dark wings and a scrabble of clawed feet on the deck. Leo gasped as Griffey landed on the fish basket. Uncle Tom smiled. Take what it offers us, he said, and Leo took the bird and emptied the fish from its throat. So they were using the fish to catch, using the birds to catch what?
Fish.
Thank you.
Wait, so I
Hang on.
thought the uncle was angry.
Hang on, I finish. Then a second bird returned and a third. Leo was dizzy with excitement. He and his uncle worked together, taking the gifts that the cormorants brought. Who would believe it? Who could believe it? Uncle had no needs of cords to hold his birds. Jade shook his head and watched in amazement. This man knows many amusing magic tricks, he mumbled. Then he opened his hands and let his birds go. He drew in a deep breath as his birds soared into the sky and wondered whether they would ever return. Quite a nice one, right? Okay. Oh, yes.
No.
I know.
So do you need right?
Have you all done this compu, yes or no? Javen?
Yeah.
No.
Javen?
No.
But I read, but I didn't do it.
Ayman, yes?
Yeah,
Sini?
I'm done. Sini Marol.
Sorry, Sini what?
Moral.
No.
Oh, you're so naughty. Next week is this thing. Okay, come. What's the time now? It's now 7:54.
No, Cho, can you
Good
answer the
boy.
question like that? Cho, can you just answer the question like that?
I'm such a
No,
good
no,
boy.
no, 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 no. 15 minutes on a piece of paper. Quickly, quickly, guys. I got no time for y'all.
I'm such a good boy.
Take your phone, take a picture of this quick.
Wait, how much? How long?
I'm giving you 15 minutes.
Oh.
Ayman, take a picture.
But I'm already done.
Ayman. Not Ayman. Sini and Javen, take a picture quick. Javen.
Jump taking!
Sini, are you done? Give me a thumbs up once you take the picture. Okay, question 7, take a picture. Okay, question 8, take a picture. Question 9, take a picture. Question 9, okay. Question 10, question 10, take a picture. Question 11, take a picture. Question 12, take a picture. Question 13, take a picture. Question 14, take a picture. Question 14. Question 15, take a picture. Question 16, take a picture. Question 17. Question 18, last question. Oh, sorry, still have question 19 and 20. Question 18. Question 19. And question 20 is the last question, I think.
Which I do not, right?
All right, you have 15 questions, you have 15 minutes. So 1 minute, one question. Go. I will come here at 8:10. Bye.